Alright, this is the calm before the storm. It's barely spitting. Just walked to the end of the driveway. Gotta keep this driveway snowblowed. Where did we see those tracks? Right here? Oh yeah. There's some kind of wild beast.
Deer.
Deer? Okay, wild deer. Weather people are saying upwards of 16 inches of snow. Have to go out, clean off the chicken coop every few hours, depending upon how hard it's fallen. And then snow blow.
Especially not fluffy snow, not heavy, so...
Yeah, won't have to snow blow too many times, hopefully.
They said the frost factor was high.
Yeah.
Whew.
Bit chilly.
A little bit on your truck.
Yeah.
Not much.
Yeah, very little. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow.
Yep.
Here's your clean Jeep. Pretty clean. And got the wood inside. It's all filled up. And then got this wheelbarrow full in case we need it. And we'll see what happens. Alright, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. At night, the storm has been coming through. And we've definitely gotten several inches of snow so far. And it's supposed to keep going. I've got to go brush off the top of the chicken coop. That type of coop that we have. I've got to brush it off to make sure it doesn't collapse. So this is the first time I've had to get up in the middle of the night and do this. But it's, yeah. It's very light and fluffy, but we've definitely gotten a lot. Yeah, wow. All right, let's get it done. Okay, it is Monday morning. This could be the last video. I'll get this made and then I'll get it uploaded. Holy crap. You look on top of that Jeep over there, there's well over a foot. Well over a foot. Maine Prepper Girls down there snow blowing. I'm about to start shoveling, clearing off vehicles, and making some paths. It is still snowing on top of the garage. A lot of snow. Last night, it didn't look like it was snowing very heavy, but it's just been absolutely consistent. Holy cow. All right. Hope everybody stays safe, stay warm. We'll see you next time.
So I ran from the cities and the noise and lies, found a piece of ground under open skies. Hands in the dirt, sweat on my shirt, learning what living's really worth. While crooked men shake hands in rooms, selling souls to corporate suits. Society's sick, but I found the cure. A back road life, honest and pure. They can keep their throne and their golden news. This life out here's my modern exodus. I traded screens for a sunrise, callous palms, blisters, pride, planted seeds where hope was.